Remove background from images for free. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can easily remove backgrounds from images at absolutely no cost. All you need to do is visit the remove.bg website and upload your desired image. For this demonstration, I'll be using my logo. Once uploaded, the background will automatically be removed. After that, simply download your edited image. Feel free to compare the image before and after the background removal process. And you can notice here a significant difference in the results.